Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will be looking at the Revell Mercedes-Benz fire truck in a 1:24 scale. This kit has 191 parts, so I'm sure it will be a fun build. As you can see here, the doors can be made to function, either open or closed. There is piping included in this kit for all the hydraulic details. The ladder can also be made to function. As you can see, it includes a tool to raise and lower the ladder. It's also extendable. Finally, at the back of the manual, there's the paint schemes. Upon opening the box, we can see the large number of parts. This model kit is in a level 5, meaning it's quite a tricky kit. Here we have the piping for the details. These will be connected to the hydraulic parts. The kit includes rubber tyres, which is better, in my opinion. Next we have the clear parts, windows, light glass, all that sort of stuff. Your body and your interior parts. Your ladders, which are over 2 sprues. I can picture this ladder going quite the distance with extending. Next we have the base plate and the side panels. There's also the mud guards. In this sprue we have the chassis parts, the wheels, the engine parts. And on our final sprue we have the turntable parts for the ladder. Finally, we have an impressive decal sheet. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and happy modelling.